There are a lot of things that contribute to how fast your computer is. One of the major things I'm going to talk about today in this video is your processor. Before we jump onto tweaking some of the settings to make your PC run really fast, let me just explain this to you. The processor is a very key component in the computer. That's your CPU, all right? So you might have Intel Core i5 or i3. And then the speed is maybe 2.3 gigahertz. Now there's something we call the number of logical processes. You can have the number of logical processes, and we have dual core, which is 2. You can have quad core, which is 4. You can have octa core, which is 8. All right. Now, in most cases, all this number of logical processes may not be activated. All right. So I'm going to just teach you how to activate for all these number of logical processes to kick working, and then this can actually make your computer run fast. All right guys, so once you have your computer, just come to the search bar here and then search for msconfig. all right, so that should appear here, system configuration. Just click on it, and once this is opened, go to boot. All right, and then you hit advanced option. Okay, now if you look here, you can see number of processes, so just check that option here. And guys, just look at this. This is really sad. My computer has 4 logical processes, but as you can see, only 1 is activated. All right, so I just have to click on this drop down and select 4. all right, now what this means is that all the 4 options are going to be activated. This is the option for maximum memory. So if you have, like, say 8 gig RAM, okay, so this computer is actually 8 gig RAM. So you can see here, if I check that one too, it's going to select all, it's going to be using up all the memory. Okay, all right, so this is going to help, this is going to use up all the memory. Okay, it's going to put all the memory into use, and then here is going to put all the number of logical processes into use. Like I said earlier, the processor is what processes the information in your machine. So if you have all the 4 cores activated, I mean, it's going to make your PC run really fast. Okay, and then also, if you have like 8 logical processes, just make sure you select the amount you want. Once you are done, just hit on OK, apply, and then just hit on OK. Now once you do this, your computer would restart, and once it restarts, trust me, your computer is going to be really fast. All right, thank you for watching to the end of this video. I know you liked it, and so just hit the thumbs up icon and make sure you subscribe to be a part of this family.